Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Make sure Beat Solo 3 has charge and that you have a TRRS-3. 5mm cable plus a Bluetooth transmitter that supports microphone audio. Plug the cable into the Ps4 controller's headset jack and into the transmitter's input, because Ps4 cannot natively accept headset Bluetooth audio. Once done, power on the transmitter and set Beats to pairing mode. This routes mic audio physically through the controller to the Ps4, while using the Beats as the capsule. Next, you change Ps4 settings so the system uses the controller's jack as the input. Go to Settings, Devices, Audio Devices, and set both input and output to headset connected to controller. This ensures chat and game audio route correctly. Then test mic level by selecting Adjust Microphone Level. Speak naturally, and set gain so green lights appear but avoid clipping. If you want party chat, make sure use microphone for party chat is enabled. This ensures friends hear you through the Beats cap. Finish by testing in an actual party or recording. Press the PS button and open Sound/Devices quick options to mute or adjust levels instantly. If the mic doesn't work, make sure the TRRS cable is the microphone-enabled type and swap it if needed, because stereo-only cables won't carry mic signals. If audio is low or distorted, try a different Bluetooth transmitter or use output to headphones equals all audio, and check for wireless interference. This fixes most connection and quality problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.